Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic ZWCAD tutorials how to show midpoint. As example, if we draw simple line object in here and you can draw circle in midpoint, it will show the midpoint mark in this line object like this. To show this midpoint, you can tap DS to open drafting settings dialog box and go to object snap. Make sure you check for midpoint. If you uncheck OK, and you draw line in here, it will be not show for the midpoint. So you need to check this midpoint, and then you can see the midpoint in the line object. Okay, that's it for basic ZWCAD tutorials how to show midpoint. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.